Good evening, folks. It's the dulcet sounds of Late Night Michael doing a killer Sudoku, expert level. I've even got my glasses on from the start. So, what we're doing here, we're doing what we usually do, which is we do easy ones. So, easy ones are like here, we've got a single cell with a number on it, and that's one. And then another thing we do is we find cells which have one solution. So here we've got 6. It's 3. It's covers 3 boxes, and so that has to be a one solution, which is 1, 2, and 3. What else? So yeah, we do those. We do ones where a number comes along and it removes, or 2 numbers come along and they remove solutions. So here can't be 6 and 9 because of that 6 in the same column. That's 7 and 8. And the other thing we do is remainders. Well, I missed that one there. There. So when I find a remainder, I will do a remainder. Oh, one here. Okay, so this has to be 8 and 9. 13 plus 12 plus 12. That means that's 8. The remainder is 8. So that's 9. Okay, so what else? Remainder's up here. So this remainder is on a line. So 15. So every line and every square, etc., has to be 1 to 9. But 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 4 all the way to 9 is 45. So therefore, this plus this plus this plus whatever in here should equal 45. So this is the remainder. So 15 plus 26 is 41. So that's a 4. If that's 4, then this is 16, which only has one solution. Now, if we look at this one, 11. We've removed all of the solutions. So 11 could be 2 and 9, can't be 2 and 9, 4 and 7, 5 and 6. So this has to be 3 and 8, which helps us further down the puzzle, because that means that this has to be 3. We've got 7 and 8 here as well, which means that this is a 9. This is an 8. So 4, also here 13. This is a remainder, but we've also got something here. So it can't be 4 and 9, can't be 6 and 7, so this has to be 5 and 8. So that's 8 and that's 5. This is a remainder, and that remainder is 6. So what's left here? If this is a 6, then this has to be 5. Can't be 4 and 1, which means this is 1. This is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Now, putting this here means that this is now a remainder of this square. So 5 plus 17, 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. Plus 17 means that this is 2. So 1 and 2. What does that mean? That means that this is 14. Now, can't be 6 and 8, but it can be 5 and 9. Which means we can solve this as well. So 1, 2, 3. So this has to be 4, 6, and 7. Nothing coming across these rows. So we'll put that in complete. Then what else? 1 goes up here. What goes up here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This has got to be 5. So this has to be 9. 8. So what does that mean 8 is? Oh, I didn't see that. This is 1 as well. That gives us a remainder here. Okay. Let's do this 13 first, okay? Can't be 4 and 9. Can't be 6 and 7. So this is 5 and 8. Sorry, saw these as well. 5 and 8. Means that's 3 and that's 8. Means this is a remainder. So 9 plus 9 plus, that's 18, plus 8 plus 8. So 19 plus 6, 18 plus 16 is 34. 34 plus 11 is 45. So this and this is 13. Oh, I didn't see this as well. God, I'm so slipping in my old age. That's 1. That's 3. So if that's 1, that's 3. 5. This has got to be 2 and 6. 2 and 6. And because we've filled all we've got solutions and everything's kind of going how we want to, we can actually extend this out and scan over here, which is the other sort of solution, I guess. So if that's 1, that would have to be 8. That can't be 1. If that's 1, that would have to be 7. So this has to be 1. And 9, pardon me. Hopefully you didn't hear that. It was a bit gross. That's 2. That can't be 2 because that can't be 7. Which means this is 6. What else is left? 1, 2. So it's 3 up here. And it's going to be 7 and 8 because that's all that's left. So 7, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3. This has got to be 4 and 5 in this order. Excellent. So 9. 13. Okay, this is going to be 11 plus 8 is 19. 19 plus 9 is going to be 28. 28 plus 13 is 41. So this is 4. This here, this is 4. So that's 1 and 3 as well. Which means this has got to be 2 and this has got to be 1. Where else? Okay, 11. We can nail this 11. So it can't be 2 and 9. Can't be 3 and 8. Can't be 4 and 7. This has to be 5 and 6. Got 5 in that top row, which means that's 5 and 6. Which means that 13 can't be 5 and 8. Can't be 6 and 7. That's 4 and 9. Oh, damn it. 4 and 9. Caught the wrong one. So what's left over? 2 and 7. Which fixes that up there as well. So that means we can scan the bottom as well. So 1 has to go here and here. Actually, here we can nail this one. Can't be 4 and 8. Can't be 3 and 9. This has got to be 5 and 7. 5 and 7. And then in that case, this has to be up here. 4 and 9. And based on what's in the columns, it's that way round. Oh, I think a bit of scanning tells me that this is a 4. And this is a 4. So I've got rid of the 4s and the 9s. Okay. So where were we? 1, 2. And so then it is 3 and 6. 3 is there. 6 is there. So that has to be 1. Okay, up here, this has to be 2. If you look at this, this has to be 2 and 8. Can't be 3 and 7. Can't be 4 and 6. Can't be 1 and 9. So that is 2 and 8. Okay, this 6 and 7. There's a 7 here, so this can only be 6. We're getting there. Okay, scanning tells me that this and this has to be 6, but there's a 1 there. So this is 6 and this is 1. This is 3, this is 6, 7, 8 and 3, 5, 7, and then what else? So what's left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So scanning should get us these bits in here. 5, 6, that's a 7. That 1 is going to solve this bit. 3, 2, 3. So then what's here? This is 12. This has to be 5 and 7. The columns say it's got to be this way around. That solves the 8 and the 5 up high. Then we're left with 1, 2, and 8. 1, 2, and 8. That was quite quick. That's why it's my month's best score so far. Oh, the month's only a couple of days old. Faster than 93% of people. Who are these 7%? Who are they? Anyway, I'm going to call it a night. Hope you enjoyed that, and hope to see you on the next one.